1 kilometre down, 2017 to go. Oh my God. Howdy, blynedd fawr i fwlyg. Hwlyg bialach gos yn da fi lys o hoch dier. Happy New Year to you all and hope 2018's a cracker. So, first vlog in a very long time, since probably June. I'm not going to go into the reasons why I've not been vlogging. I think what this is going to do, this vlog here, is going to be almost like a kickstart, if you like, to get me back into the swing of things. Really love listening to music when I'm out on a run. Midnight oil, beds are burning. What a tune. It's not the only thing that's burning though. Calves are on fire! Basically I got really busy and everything went to pot, including my fitness and my kind of healthy eating. So this is just a quick statement of intent, if you like. A new challenge for 2018. Howdy. 4k down. I'm averaging about 5:26 per kilometre, which is quite bad because when I was in my routine before running regularly, I was doing I can't even talk, I'm knackered. I was doing 1k about 4:45, so I'm 45 seconds roughly per kilometre unfitter than I was pre that busy spell in November. But it's the foundation. What happens with the foundation? You work from it and you go up. Only way is up. Boom. In 2018, I want to run 2018 kilometres. Yeah? 2018 k. Does that make sense? Basically, my friend Kimberly ran 2017 kilometres last year, so I basically want to do something like that, but 2018 since 2018. Hey, I'm not going to do it for charity, I'm just going to do it for myself. It's just something to keep me motivated all year, because when I ran my 10k in June, I was like, ah well, I've done it. So this is going to keep me motivated all year. So I'm going to vlog some of my runs, not every run because it'll just get really boring. So I might just do like, I don't know yet, I've not really thought about it properly, but basically 2018 k. Boom. Here we go. Boom. $5k, 27, 31, 5:29 per k. This was my first run in a long time, I think since mid-November. Obviously disappointed because I was doing a kilometre within 5 minutes, about 4:45, 4:50 before Christmas and before I got crazy busy in November. So yeah, I'm disappointed, but it's a start and things can only improve. Boom.